You sure you want to do this?
As we talked about probation, we talked about the different
You have no
choices they have.
convictions. You have no as far as I see, no convictions. Now, after today, you're going to end up with a conviction on your record. From now on, you're looking at 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up, you know?
Yeah, the choice is, you can get the defer, you can get the probation that we talked about, but you decided to do the time.
When you plead guilty to something, it goes on your record and it stays there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off.
Did you catch that? The moment you plead guilty, it's set in stone, etched permanently into your record for life. There's no undoing it, no expungement, no do-overs. It follows you through jobs, housing, relationships, everything. This isn't just a legal decision. It's a life-defining one. One wrong word and your future shifts forever. So the question is real. Would you gamble your entire future just to avoid probation? Or would you play it safe, even if it meant carrying the weight of a deal you may not fully understand?
It will affect you when you try to get a job, try to buy a house, try to get a car, a loan for something, try to get an apartment. So that's what I'm saying. I mean, you're old enough to know that.
I was lost when you was like 90 days at the.
No,
I was lost because.
No, what I'm saying, you pick up anything else in the future from now on, it's a minimum of 90 days if you take this deal, because they can enhance your punishment to a minimum of 90 days in the future.
You're not getting that as a time served deal. The judge
I'm served here, but what I'm saying is, you don't want to defer to try to keep it off. You just.
Sir, if you look at the computer, I've been in TDCJ before. It don't matter. It don't matter. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It don't matter.
I don't see. I only get access to Harris County because I can't get them to give me access to anything else anyway.
I understand, but I can tell you, and I at my time I done did my lesson. So if time served, I don't have to go to jail. I don't have to look over my shoulder. That's fine with me. I walk a straight line. That just was a unfortunate happened with my problem.
You're charged with resisting arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. Like I said, this is going to go on your record. It'll be there for the rest of your life. You're giving up a lot of rights.
This is where the stakes hit the hardest. By accepting the plea, he's surrendering his most basic rights. No trial. No chance to cross-examine witnesses, not even an appeal. It's over the moment he agrees. And if he's not a U.S. citizen, deportation becomes a very real possibility. One signature could mean losing not just freedom, but your entire life here. So ask yourself, would you take the deal to dodge a longer sentence? Even if it meant giving up every protection the justice system is supposed to offer.
Entering into this agreement, you give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, that's it.
I understand.
This is what you want to do.
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the office?
I plead guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow it. Good luck to you, Mr. Fat.
Take care. I can get you this piece of paper. Go downstairs so you don't have to make more copies.
All right.
I'll be with you.
I think the offense date was March the 30th, sir. So a little more recent.
No more.
Sure.
I'm going to test you 50 days from today.
Sure.
If I find that you continue to use, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Sure.
Do you have a job?
No, not at the moment.
It's time. It's time for you to start working and being productive. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. That's what we don't want. I don't want you to pick up a 6th case or 7th case now within the next, that's it. I'm going to bring you back in 2.5 to 3 weeks, and I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you've done nothing, you understand.
Sure.
All right, good luck.
And he did let me know he has enrolled in HCC for the summer session of college.
That would be great. That's great. But if you're taking 6 hours, you got to do something else as well. If you're taking a full load, then great. The more schooling you do, the more money you're going to make in this life. Knowledge is power, and with knowledge, you get money. That's what this life is about, not convictions. You understand?
So,
Good luck. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. All right.
Apologize, Judge. I was in court 4 and just sitting there for a while too.
Don't worry about it. You're good. We're glad that you made it. Did Stradley come here today?
Yes, he reset it.
He already left?
Huh?
He already left?
Yeah, he already left.
Okay. Because we need to do conditions. It's a second. It's a DWI second. We need to do conditions. And I know, but I still want to put conditions. He's gonna bond out, I would imagine, right? But I'm putting conditions first. I want to get conditions so we get a guardian interlock and now. Yeah, see. Yeah, I mean, I want to put conditions on him, you know? And if you can't, say that we can give him someone in the interest for now, just for purposes of conditions, okay? It's okay. Tom, hear you.
Tom, I'm gonna send you an email on this one. I think we've got it worked out.
All right.
Just let me know when you're ready, okay? Hi.
Thank you, Judge. I just wait here in the link.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
good morning, Judge. I'm here on an off-docket matter. Is that okay?
Yes, okay, of course. What's your cost number?
There's 2 and, Judge, hang on.
I forgot my eyeballs too.
There's a DWI, and that's cause number 2556097. And there's a tampering.
This on Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
Are you representing him on both?
I am, and Judge, we just realized, I'm sorry, my staff, I just filed the notice of appearance on the tampering. We didn't realize he had 2.
We have you connected.
Okay.
It looks like he has an ice hole.
Well, yes and no. That's why we're in front of you. So he apparently posted maybe the PR bond here. ICE got him from the jail. He went to immigration. April 2nd, posted a bond there. But we've got 2 warrants. I believe these warrants are holding him. And so didn't know if, I think Harris County maybe has 10 days. I don't know for sure. They have a certain number of
What
days.
happens is that we don't get notice, or I guess we didn't realize that he's in immigration. We assume that he's out, he's gone on the lam.
Right.
So
And they didn't
we
have
issued a
a order
warrant.
to tell you, Judge,
So he's made bond on the immigration case?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so I can reinstate these bonds now,
Okay.
but as soon as he gets out, he needs to come here immediately for bond
Of
conditions.
course. Okay.
So we need to set a day.
What's the case number?
You ready?
Yeah.
It's 255-6097. There's 2. I'll reinstate it now, but if he's not here by the next setting, let him know that I'm gonna end up revoking him because he needs to come here for bond conditions. I guess just pick if you want like maybe a week or so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Appreciate it.
Of course. Did you get the cause number?
Yes.
There's 2.
Anthony Hernandez?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please reinstate both.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tom.
I filed a dismissal in that case. I filed a dismissal.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I filed a dismissal on when?
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
I'll sign it as soon as I get it too, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you,
take care.
counsel. Take care.
Reset, but I think the case is older than 150 days old.
Yeah, where are we headed?
We're waiting on the RIP call and the 911 call. I believe the state has sent an escalated request.
Yeah, we've requested the 911 call twice, Your Honor. I'm not sure why it's not in yet. I would just request if we could just have one more sentence while try and reach out and hound somebody to get the 911 in. It is,
Subpoena them to come to court. That's what I would do, you know? So give them 10 days, subpoena them to come to court. And then if they provide it to you, then great. If not, then, you know. But if they can't get you just the 911, then that's as simple as possible, okay?
yes, Your Honor.
So with 10-day discovery hearing. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sure.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Hi, Mr. Ayala. How are you? What's new?
I've got Serato on your docket, copy for the, like you see.
Thanks. You too. What's new?
Is discovery complete?
Yeah, she got a bomb violation. She failed to show up to a drug screen. She was at work. She did test yesterday. She tested negative.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is she here now?
She is here.
I'm bringing her.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Come up, ma'am.
And I'm gonna reach out to this guy with the message.
Sure.
Oh, so we can go face up. I want to see if I'm gonna get
I'm glad that you tested negative. Good job. Don't miss again, please. Okay, if it happens again, I'm gonna issue a warrant, okay? All right, good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Always. You said Miller?
Miller, Jeremy Miller,
Jail or bond?
on bond, waived.
Say it again?
He's waived today, but on.
Okay. Threat, 156 days. It's
I
an old
know,
case.
Your Honor, we've been trying to get in touch with the complainant. But I'll read PC, Your Honor. On November 3rd, 2024, officers were dispatched to 15 over terrorist threat call. Upon arrival, officers met with the complainant, who advised she's employed at Bentop Hospital as a registered nurse. Complainant advised that she was attempting to administer an IV needle in the arm of the defendant when the defendant stated, quote, "Bitch, take the needle out or I will kill you." Complainant said she took her life.
I mean, why?
So I would argue it's a conditional statement, Judge. It's take the needle out or this will happen. I think based on that, it's not an imminent threat, but it's a conditional. If you do this, I will do this. So I don't think it meets the statute for probable cause.
I mean, Your Honor, I would argue that, threatening to kill her in a hospital.
I mean, can that possibly be the law? So anybody can ever, there's a condition, then it's never a terrorist threat,
I would need to look at the case law.
That would be,
I know there's someone that agreements.
let me pull up the statute. Hold on, let's see.
But I know that the way it's charged, Your Honor, is imminent serious bodily injury or death.
Person commits an offense if he threatens to commit any offense involving violence to any person or property with intent to cause a reaction of any type to his threat, place any person in fear of imminent serious bodily injury.
Now we're diving into a serious legal gray zone. The judge raises a critical question if someone says, "Take the needle out or I'll kill you." Is that a real terroristic threat or just explosive frustration? Conditional threats like this blur the line. Is it the intent behind the words that matters or the words themselves? Can fear be justified if the threat wasn't final? This isn't just a legal question, it's a moral one too. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Does tone, context, or exact phrasing carry more? Wait in a courtroom.
It doesn't say if it's conditioned that, because the statement is he's saying, I'm gonna what?
I said, quote, "Bitch, take the needle out or I'll kill you."
I mean, show me some kind of case law that says that a condition fills it, and then I'm with you. But I mean, there's obviously it's a threat,
I can look at
and the needle's in his arm at the time, right?
Correct.
Yeah, I mean, if you show me that a conditional statement it's no good, then I'm with you.
And then I also wanted to ask you about Todd Wallace. That's
I remember Judge Wallace. How's he doing?
So, Judge, I've not been able to have contact with him. I went by yesterday in person, trying to reach him, and just have not been
You
able
said
to reach him.
it today because you couldn't get in contact with him, right? Okay. So I guess we'll look it.
And I spoke with Chief. He's essentially leaving the offer on the table of just an apology letter and a dismissal if he does end up back in custody. So
I'll
he
leave
made a note of that.
I'll leave the first setting to Your Honor if he does come back.
Did you put that in the notes?
I already put a note in there, Your
Put a
Honor.
specific note for
I'm going
us.
to revoke it now just because you have no contact. If he should show up, then we'll talk.
The exact note I have, Your Honor, is proposed defendant is going to bond forfeit. When he comes back into custody, I will keep the apology letter offer open for 1
Yeah,
second.
we just don't know what circumstances are going on.
Yeah, I understand.
So I'll do 1501. Or, sorry, 2501. Hey, so 2501 on Wallace. And I'm not going to do a BO.